Hello everyone. Welcome to part 1 of today's video on how to use GIGA Mobile App. The topics to be covered in today's video are: first, we will learn about how to check your balance in GIGA Mobile App. Next, we will learn how to create a market watch screen. Next, we will learn how to add scripts to that market watch. Fourthly, we will learn about how to place an order from GIGA Mobile App. Now, let us move to the screen of our GIGA Mobile App. This is the home screen of our GIGA Mobile App. As you can see, you can check your current balance easily right here. Currently, I have not yet added funds to my trading account since I have opened this account for demo purposes, so my balance is being reflected as 0.00. If you would like to add funds, just click on the Add Funds button and you can proceed to pay in. I have already covered this in a previous video. Now let us check out how you can go about adding a market watch. In order to add a market watch, simply click on Watchlist listed below. Here, now you can click on Add Watchlist. Now, input a name for the watchlist, say Test GIGA, and click on Done. Now you will be prompted to add scripts. Say I would like to add Nifty 30th December futures. I have clicked on the script. Now just click on plus and confirm that you would like to add it to Test GIGA Watchlist. Watchlist Test GIGA has now been created successfully as the message prompts. Click on OK. In case you would like to add a script to the market watch, simply click on the search button and input the first 3 characters of the script you would like to add. I would like to add SBIN NSE script, so just click on SBIN and then click on the plus button on top and add it to the Test GIGA market watch. And the symbol has been added successfully. Now go back to the market watch and check whether it has been added. As you can see, the SBIN script has been added. In case you would like to delete a particular watch list, just click on the pen marked above and you can select the particular market watch which you would like to delete. In this case, I would like to delete my old market watch which I had named Test. So just delete it. You will be asked to confirm your decision. Click on delete again, and as you can see, the group Test has been deleted, or the market watch Test has been deleted. In case you would like to remove some scripts from your market watch, simply long press on any of the scripts and select the script which you would like to delete and then delete it. Now click on Done and you will be back to the market watch screen. Now let us check out how to place orders in that particular script. Placing an order is very simple. Just click on the script and you will be prompted to place a buy or sell order. The market depth of the particular script will also be available, as well as the circuit limits. Now suppose I would like to buy SBIN, just click on buy. Here, in case you would like to place an intraday order, change CNC to MIS. Enter the quantity which you would like to buy. In case you would like to buy it at a particular price, change market to limit order and edit the price at which you would like to buy. Say I would like to buy SBI at 450. Input the amount, keep the validity as day, and then submit and confirm your order. The order got rejected since I have no balance in my trading account. The reason for rejection will also be reflected in the order rejection message. Let me just close this and go back. As you can see, my order book has been opened and I can see that my MIS order in SBIN has been rejected. With this, we come to an end of the first part of our video presentation on GIGA Mobile App. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have any further support related queries, feel free to email us at customersupport@gwcindia.in or WhatsApp us at 73388959491 or call us at 044 4032 9999.